Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your HP 15 SFQ laptop, gather the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any unwanted distractions. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power in the device. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Here, you will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips head screwdriver and keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is removed, you'll see the internal components of the laptop, including the battery. Before proceeding, I recommend using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge that could damage your laptop's components. With the wrist strap secured, locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape with a connector attached to the motherboard. To remove the battery, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard carefully. You might need to use your spudger to assist in loosening the connection. After disconnecting, you will find additional screws securing the battery in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. When all screws are removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. At this point, you can clean the internal area of the laptop using compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated over time. A clean workspace is vital for the longevity of your laptop. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Make sure the connection is firm, as this is essential for the battery to function properly. Before closing the laptop, double-check that everything is in place. If you're unsure or need help, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop anywhere. Once you've verified everything, place the bottom panel back onto the laptop. Align it properly and press down gently. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel back in place. Finally, flip the laptop over and power it on. Check if the new battery is recognized and that the laptop functions normally. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you understand any costs involved. With these steps, you have successfully replaced the battery in your HP 15 SFQ laptop. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a straightforward process to keep your device running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.